Hello students, in this lecture video, types of supports and number of reactions in the support with example will be explained. Mainly there are four types of supports. First one is roller support. The second one is pinned support. It is also called as hinged support, fixed support and simple support. So these are the symbols for roller support, and these are the symbols for pinned, similarly for fixed and simple supports. If a member, if it is connected to a roller support, the support will not allow for any vertical movement of a member, but it allows for the movement along horizontal direction, and it will not allow it will allow for the rotation. So hence number of reactions in roller support is only one, that is the vertical reactions. At roller end, a structure is free to move along the support and can rotate freely. Hence, there is no reaction along the support and the resisting moment is zero. Next, second one is pinned support. If a member is connected to the pinned support, the support will not allow for the horizontal movement as well as for the vertical movement, but it allows for the rotation. Pinned end is also called as hinged ends. Hinged ends cannot have linear motion in any direction, can rotate freely along the support point. So this is the support point, can rotate easily here. Support can develop required resisting force in any direction. So there is no resisting moment here in the pinned support. Next, a fixed support. If a member is connected to the fixed support, so there is no horizontal movement, so there is no vertical movement, and it will resist the rotation. So hence the number of reactions in fixed support is three. The one is horizontal reaction, vertical reaction, and a moment. And also fixed ends cannot have linear and rotational movements. Supports can develop not only resisting force in any direction but also the resisting moment. Then simple support. The number of reactions in simple support is same as a roller support. So roller support can be placed in an inclined support, but the simple support is always in a horizontal plane. So these are the different types of supports and number of reactions. So now in roller support, number of unknown reactions are only one, pinned supports two, in fixed supports three, and simple support it is one. So let us see the examples here. So these are the examples for hinged support or pinned supports. So this is the hinge here which is provided. The member is connected to the hinge. So there is no lateral movement or horizontal movement. There is no vertical movement of the member. But due to the hinges, it can able to rotate. So number of unknowns are here 2. And this is also example for hinged support. So you can see this type of structure in toll gates. So here this is the member which is connected to the hinge support. The member cannot move along the horizontal direction or along the vertical direction, but it can rotate like this. So it allows for the rotation. So number of unknown reactions are 2. Similarly, the hinges provided at the doors. So this is also example for the hinged support. So this is a example for simply supported concrete beam or a secondary beam resting on the main beam is example for simple supports. Fixed supports. So here the pedestal, the member is connected to the concrete pedestal, it is fixed support, and the connection between column and beam, it is also a fixed support. So here also example for a fixed support. So here the member is connected to the pedestal foundation, and it will not there is no horizontal movements, there is no vertical movement, and there is no rotation also. So this is example for roller supports. So these are the roller supports. If member is connected to roller support, so there may be horizontal movement, but there is no vertical movement, and it also allows for the rotation here. So these are the different types of supports, and the last one is simple support. So here these are the simple supports. The member is horizontally supported here. Here if I give a push or pull here, the member can move along horizontal directions, but there is no movement along vertical direction. So number of reactions here, one, that is the vertical reactions. Thank you.